Well, no, he don't. No, we won't do it because he doesn't have eye protection. We won't do it because he doesn't have eye protection. We'll have to wait till another time.
What about these?
Yeah, we can put those on him.
Here. Here, Matthew. Here. Come here.
Matthew, hey, listen to me. If you want to shoot the big gun, you're gonna have to listen, and listen good.
Here.
No playing around. You got to put these sunglasses on. Don't touch the gun.
Have you got this going, don't you?
Not yet.
It's counting down.
Okay, well then it's recording. All right. Make sure we get good protection on.
Sunglasses and
Okay. Now, very sure, very true. Okay. Then we'll take this off. Now, Matthew, this is different than Daddy's handgun. Okay? You need to listen very closely. I have the safety on, but you remember how I told you how you hold on to Daddy's handgun, how you always hold it the right way? Which way is that? Do you know how? Do you remember? Your finger on the side and up high, right? Very good. So, remember, up on the side. Very good. Now, you put it up on your shoulder. You hold on right there. Okay? I know it's hard to, so Daddy will help you hold it partially, okay? Here, spread your feet out a little bit. Spread your feet out. Do you understand what I'm saying by spread your feet out? Spread your feet out. Spread them apart. Here, I'll help you. All right, now, stand up like this. Hold the gun up. Now look at the target where you're wanting to go. All right, now, Daddy's gonna flip a switch, but only touch the trigger when I tell you to. Do you understand? Okay. Now, when you're ready, with this finger, you press the trigger like I showed you. Now, pull the trigger, pull it. Do it again. One more. Finger on the side, finger off the trigger, up to the side. All right. Safety on. Let go. Now, Matthew, you did an awesome job. High five? Give me a hug. All right, hey, you don't understand now, but that's going to mean something else later on. Not many kids your age can say they can shoot a gun like that at your age. I'm proud of you. You ready to take all that stuff off now? All right, there you go. I'm proud of you, bud. Good job. All right, we're done.
Yay! I did it!
You did do it.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Matthew, come here. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Was it scary?
No.
It wasn't.
I was going to dance.
Hey, Matthew, that's the first time you shot a gun ever, bud.
Oh.
Yeah?
That's weird.
How old are you?
4 and bye-bye.